When it comes to upgrading your home in Cayce, replacing old windows is often a top priority. New windows can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. But beyond these obvious benefits, many homeowners today are also thinking about the environmental impact of their choices. How does window replacement affect the environment in Cayce? And what can you do to make this home improvement more eco-friendly? Let's explore these questions so you can make an informed decision that's good for your home and the planet. Why window replacement matters environmentally? Windows are a major factor in your home's energy use. Old, drafty windows can cause heat to escape in winter and cool air to leak out in summer. This means your heating and cooling systems have to work harder, consuming more energy and increasing your carbon footprint. In Cayce's warm climate, efficient windows can help reduce the reliance on air conditioning, which is a significant source of energy consumption. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models can reduce energy waste dramatically. Modern windows often feature multiple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and improved frames that minimize heat transfer. These technologies help keep your home's temperature stable and reduce energy bills, all while lowering the environmental impact associated with excessive energy use. The environmental cost of manufacturing and disposal. While new windows bring energy savings, the production and disposal process has its own environmental footprint. Manufacturing windows involves extracting raw materials such as glass, aluminum, wood, and vinyl. This process consumes energy, water, and other resources, and can generate pollution. Vinyl windows, common for their affordability and durability, are made from PVC, a plastic derived from fossil fuels. The production and disposal of vinyl can release harmful chemicals into the environment if not managed properly. Wood windows, although renewable, often require treatments and finishes that may contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs. When replacing windows, the old units often end up in landfills, contributing to waste. Many window materials do not biodegrade easily, which means they can persist in the environment for decades or longer. Sustainable choices for window replacement in Cayce. The good news is that homeowners in Cayce can make eco-conscious choices that minimize the environmental impact of window replacement. Here are some tips to consider. Choose energy-efficient windows. Look for ENERGY STAR certified windows designed to perform well in the southern climate. These windows help reduce energy consumption, which has a positive ripple effect on lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Opt for sustainable materials. Consider windows made from sustainably sourced wood or recycled materials. Some manufacturers now offer windows with recycled aluminum frames or glass, reducing the demand for virgin resources. Recycle old windows. Instead of sending old windows to the landfill, explore local recycling options. Some companies specialize in recycling window components, recovering materials that can be reused in new products. Work with responsible installers. Partner with contractors who prioritize sustainability. They can ensure proper disposal of old windows, use eco-friendly sealants, and install your new windows to maximize their efficiency. Long-term environmental benefit. Investing in quality window replacement isn't just about immediate improvements. it's about creating a more sustainable home that benefits the environment over decades. Well-insulated windows reduce your home's energy demand, lower your utility bills, and contribute to a decrease in harmful emissions linked to power generation. Additionally, by selecting durable, long-lasting windows, you reduce the need for frequent replacements. This means fewer resources are consumed over time, and less waste ends up in landfills. The role of window replacement in Cayce's green future. Cayce is part of a growing community that values environmental stewardship and sustainable living. As more homeowners upgrade their homes with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient products, the collective impact can be significant. Reducing energy use helps ease the strain on local power grids and supports broader efforts to combat climate change. By choosing the right windows and installation practices, you can play an important role in promoting sustainability within your neighborhood. Your home becomes more comfortable, your energy bills shrink, and you contribute to preserving the natural beauty and health of Cayce for future generations. In conclusion, window replacement in Cayce has both environmental costs and benefits. While the manufacturing and disposal processes have an impact, the energy savings and improved efficiency of modern windows offer a compelling case for upgrading your home responsibly. By making thoughtful, eco-conscious choices throughout the process, you can ensure that your investment supports a greener, more sustainable future. Whether you're motivated by comfort, cost savings, or environmental responsibility, replacing your windows with the planet in mind is a smart decision for any Cayce homeowner.